Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is LeetCode 100, same tree. In this question you just have to return true or false. Means if this tree is same, then you just have to return the true, or if it is not same, then you just have to return the false. Okay, so how you will identify whether it is it is same or not. So here is one in a root, okay, and in a left side there is in 2, and a left side there is in 2, and in a right side there is in 3 node, and there is in 3 nodes, so it is a balance, it is a same tree. Okay, but in the second example you can see that the root is same, okay, 1 and 1, but in a left side there is in 2, but on another tree there is an true on a right side, so this is false, means this is not a same tree. So you just have to check the conditions, check whether it is balance or not. So first you have to write the code. If p is equals to null, or q is equals to null, then you just have to return the p is equals to q. Okay, you have to check, and after that you just have to return p ka val is equals to q ka val. Okay, and again you will run this function as in left and a right. Okay, so p ka left comma q ka left, and again you will run this function p ka left, p ka right for a right, and q ka right. Let's run this code whether it is running properly or not. So this is one of the easiest question of in binary tree. You just have to write the condition. Yeah, this is accepted. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this is submitted. Thanks for watching.